I have created the video of 5 best video editing keyboards that feature adjustable backlighting and shortcuts enabling to edit videos and add effects much faster. Compiling the video, I have taken into account ergonomics, additional keys, an indication of the shortcuts and backlighting. There are a lot of different factors that analyses go into making the perfect decision for buy keyboard for video editing. With so many different keyboard on the market, it can be hard to know which one is best for you. If you're looking for the budget keyboard for video editing, you've come to the right place. In this video, our expert team provides an in-depth overview of the top 5 keyboard for video editing on the market and helps you decide which one is perfect for you. This video aims to provide the viewer with enough information. Take a few minutes to check out link on description box for each product mentioned. So don't wait, watch our full video. Product number 1. Corsair K70 Rapidfire Mechanical Keyboard. The body of Corsair K70 is made of anodized brushed aluminum and improved with a detachable soft touch wrist rest. Mechanical keys are equipped with the Cherry MX speed switch with blistering fast 1.2mm actuation. This keyboard has 8GB storage, so all the info on backlight settings and macros is kept there. This video editing keyboard features a USB port and multimedia control elements to have maximum options at hand. Developers enhance the tool with powerful Corsair ICUE software that ensures complex macro programming, bright dynamic multicolor backlighting and full synchronization of the system backlighting. There are many features and benefits which make the keyboard perfect for video editing. Those are decent aluminum body with a wrist rest, 8MB profile storage, adjusted keys with multicolor RGB backlighting, Cherry MX speed key switches, built-in multimedia control elements. Product number 2. HyperX Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Mechanical switches on the HyperX keyboard may handle 80 million of presses, while an aluminum body endures falls and blows. For your convenience, you may adjust the tilt angle of the keyboard. This video editing keyboard is quite a compact tool, 17.40 by 5.20 by 1.50 inches, equipped with RGB backlighting featuring dynamic effects. Thanks to the HyperX Ingenuity software, you may adjust the keys as you like. The built-in memory is designed for 3 profiles. There are many features and benefits which make the keyboard perfect for video editing. Those are adjusted RGB backlighting of each key, compact size and anti-ghosting option, 3 modes of the keyboard tilt, not really standard marking of numbers and symbols. Product number 3. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum Keyboard. Thanks to the possibility to assign functions to 6 highlighted keys, Corsair K95 RGB Platinum is considered to be one of the best video editing keyboards. You may adjust them to perform frequently used operations in Adobe Premiere Pro, for example. The accessory also boasts 8MB onboard storage, so the macros are saved there. This full-size keyboard for video editing is also equipped with 3 keys for hot swap built-in profiles, on and off RGB backlighting switches and blockage of the Windows key. There are many features and benefits which make the keyboard perfect for video editing. Those are the user may control multimedia, shut down the volume and adjust the volume without the mouse. Durable aluminum body, onboard memory to save macros. Cherry MX switches and double-shot keys. Stream Deck functionality is far from perfect. Product number 4. Logitech Advanced Wireless Keyboard. Logitech Craft Keyboard doesn't have shortcuts and functions written on the keys, but it features one special element, the crown tool. By default, this element controls the volume of the PC, however, you may assign to it almost any function you like. Logitech Craft Video Editing Keyboard is compatible with such programs as Lightroom, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and several web browsers. Moreover, the keyboard automatically defines what software you install to find the corresponding installation profile. To enhance performance, you may adjust the FN key and connect the Logitech mouse. Product number 5. Kinesis Advantage II Ergonomic Keyboard. Kinesis Advantage II is a convenient keyboard for video editing. It is made of 2 curved areas, keys for thumbs, orthogonal layout, 20 degrees of tenting, and integrated palm supports with cushioned palm pads. Thanks to such construction, the strain on fingers and wrists is minimal. Consequently, false key combinations are not very frequent. Video editors may use models and macros to optimize the working process. For example, a 2-layer QWERTY and Dvorak models with instant thumb key configuration. Moreover, you don't need special drivers to work on this video editing keyboard. All settings are saved directly on the device. There are many features and benefits which make the keyboard perfect for video editing. Those are up to 48 programmable macros. Cherry MX switches, full onboard programmability. Compatible with all OS, expensive, thick and bulky body.
All those products in our listing have been used and tested by our experts team. We made this top product list based on experiences, expert opinion analysis about those products' features, reviews, quality, price and performance. So don't wait, take a few minutes to check out the discount price on description below. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss more great content like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.